This video will outline the steps for clearing trouble codes. When you perform a clear, if the issue has been fixed, the associated code or codes will be cleared. However, if the issue is still present, clearing codes will only temporarily turn off your dash lights or warning indicators, and no problems will be fixed. There are two ways to clear trouble codes. Option 1. Tap Read Codes. Tap the scan option that best suits your needs. When the scan has completed, you can clear codes in one of two ways. You can tap the garbage icon under any of the scan headers to clear the codes in that group specifically. You can also clear codes by tapping the Clear button at the top of the app. Option 2. Tap Clear Codes. In this case, you will be presented with three clear options. You can choose to clear only pending and confirmed codes, only enhanced codes, or all codes. Select the option that best suits your needs and wait for the clearing process to complete. Again, please note that unless any issues have been fixed, clearing codes will only temporarily turn off your dash lights and warning indicators. Each warning will eventually return, although how long that will take is dependent on the type of issue. It is recommended to first scan and identify any problems, address the issue, and then clear the codes when the problem has been fixed. If you are having issues clearing codes, try performing the clear with the key set to run and the engine off. For keyed entry, this is the last position before the starter is engaged. For keyless entry, hold down the Start button for 5 to 10 seconds. In both keyed and keyless scenarios, you should be able to confirm you're in run if you're able to turn the cabin fans on while the engine is off. We hope this video provided you with all the info you needed to clear your codes. If you are having trouble with clearing codes or any other BlueDriver feature, don't worry. Our world-class support team is here to help. Contact them 24/7.